This GASLAND Portable Induction Cooktop 2 burners is a versatile kitchen appliance designed to elevate your cooking experience with its efficiency, precision, and user-friendly features. Whether you're a home chef looking for additional cooking space or someone who enjoys outdoor grilling and camping, this dual induction cooker offers the flexibility and performance you need. One of the standout features of the GASLAND Induction Cooktop is its dual cooking zones, allowing you to cook 2 separate dishes simultaneously. This is particularly beneficial for preparing meals that require different cooking times and temperatures, such as boiling water for pasta on one side, while sautéing vegetables or searing meats on the other. It's ideal for multitasking in the kitchen or when entertaining guests. Equipped with 10 temperature levels ranging from 140 to 464 degrees Fahrenheit and 7 power levels from 200 to 1500 watts, the GASLAND Cooktop provides precise control over cooking temperatures and power settings. Whether you're delicately simmering sauces, rapidly boiling water, frying foods, or slow cooking stews, you can easily adjust the settings to suit your specific cooking needs. The ability to fine-tune both temperature and power ensures optimal cooking results every time. Safety is paramount in any kitchen, and the GASLAND Induction Cooktop incorporates several features to enhance user safety. It includes a child safety lock feature to prevent unintended changes to settings, ensuring a safe environment, especially in households with children. The hot surface indicator alerts users when the cooktop surface is still hot after cooking, reducing the risk of accidental burns. Additionally, the auto switch-off feature automatically turns off the cooktop when no cookware is detected, enhancing safety and energy efficiency. Designed for ease of use, the GASLAND Cooktop features a digital control panel with intuitive touch-sensitive controls. The sleek black crystal glass surface not only enhances the cooktop's aesthetics, but also makes it easy to clean with a simple wipe down using a damp cloth. Its lightweight and compact design makes it portable and suitable for various settings, including kitchens, dining tables, outdoor events, camping trips, RVs, and small apartments where space is limited. The cooktop's versatility extends to its compatibility with a wide range of induction-ready cookware, including cast iron, and stainless steel. A small magnet is provided to easily test the compatibility of your existing cookware. Whether you're using small saucepans or large frying pans 4 to 10 inches in diameter, the GASLAND Induction Cooktop delivers consistent and efficient heat distribution without hot spots, ensuring even cooking results. Managing cooking times is simplified with a built-in digital timer function, allowing you to set independent timers for each cooking zone. This feature enables you to multitask in the kitchen or attend to other chores without constantly monitoring your dishes. The timer also contributes to energy efficiency by automatically shutting off the cooktop when the set cooking time is reached, reducing energy consumption and promoting eco-friendly cooking practices. Thanks to its compact size and lightweight design, the GASLAND Induction Cooktop is highly portable and easy to transport. Whether you're hosting outdoor gatherings, camping, or simply need an extra burner for holiday feasts, this cooktop provides the flexibility to cook virtually anywhere with access to a standard 120-volt outlet. Its portable nature makes it a valuable asset for small kitchens, dorm rooms, RVs, and any space where traditional stoves may not be feasible. In conclusion, the GASLAND Portable Induction Cooktop 2 burners is an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable, efficient, and safe cooking solution. Its dual heating zones, precise temperature and power controls, safety features, and portable design make it a versatile addition to any kitchen or cooking environment. Whether you're preparing everyday meals, entertaining guests, or enjoying outdoor activities, this induction cooktop offers convenience, performance, and ease of use. Experience the convenience of GASLAND today. Discover the versatility and efficiency of the GASLAND Portable Induction Cooktop 2 burners for yourself. Click the link below to purchase and elevate your cooking experience with this innovative kitchen appliance. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.